This is Kuldeep, and in today's demonstration, I will show a demonstration on how to handle exception while doing bulk processing. I already have created one script, and in this script, through bulk processing using for all operator, I'm inserting few records into this dummy table. Let me open this table. It has only two columns. These two column. The first column has it's a not null column. See, constant is there. It's a not null column, and the size of this object name column is 30 byte. So I'm using this bulk binding process to insert data. This is my cursor. Let me show you my records. I have total of 102 records. So all these record I will insert into dummy table. But in order to show the exception, I deliberately using these two rows so that it can throw an error, because this if you notice 450 sequence number, it's a null, and our table is having not null constant, so definitely it will throw an error. And this one is a quite long string. Actually it's a size of 31 characters, so definitely, because our dummy table has only size 30, and when it will try to insert this 31 length string, it will throw an error. So through save exception keyword, we will try to capture these two errors, and will process rest remaining rows. So let me explain how this script is working. This is my data set cursor, and I'm using this. I'm creating one collection type table. It's a nested table, and then it's a variable of that type. uh, I'm using one name. I'm giving one name to the exception as DML errors, and this is the code which Oracle raised during bulk. Whenever an exception occurred, na, this is the code minus 24,381. So through this exception in it, I am giving one DML error is a name I'm giving to this error, so that I can use this name in when block. See here. So in order to capture the exception during bulk processing, uh, we need to use this keyword save exceptions. Then only we are able to capture those records for which we are getting errors. Uh, at the start, I'm opening the cursor, then looping through the cursor. I'm fetching this data into this variable with a limit of 10. Uh, you need the best practice is always use a limit keyword, because in my case I already know ki my record count is 102. But if you don't know how much your record count will be, then definitely try to use a limit keyword, otherwise it will consume your sessions PGA memory and will definitely degrade your database performance. So use limit as a best practice, and then I'm using for all operator to say for the bulk processing and inserting into this table. And in exception block, I'm capturing whenever you use save exception keyword, whatever records are you can say whatever records are causing error automatically get stored into this collection SQL percent bulk collection. A bulk exception is a collection, and it has two columns, error code and error index. So we can find what was the error code for the our exception raised, and at what index this error occurred. So we can look through this collection, and then we we can get to know how many records. Let's suppose four records got error or causing error, then the loop will this loop will iterate four times. Or and here I'm capturing the exact for which record I'm getting error. So I have created this table. This is actually a DML error logging. Uh, I have created a DML error logging table uh, on this table. So in order to create this DML error logging table, what you need to do, just execute this procedure with your table name. So it will automatically create a DML error logging table. So whatever exception is happening now, Oracle automatically insert all the relevant data into this table. So I'm capturing all those records into this table, and at the end, whenever no record is remaining for processing, I'm exiting the loop and closing the cursor. So let me check the dummy table. Currently, my table is blank, and let me also check this error logging table. No error is currently. Let me execute this anonymous block so that I can process my records. My anonymous block got completed. Initially, I told ki we have 102 records. See, total 102 records. Let me show open how many record get processed into this table. It's 100 record get processed. It means two records have error. Uh, See, these are the two records. One record with null value and other record with little large value. It's a 31 character string, but our dummy table is able to hold only 30 character. Hence, this error occurred. So in this way, you can capture the error or exception in during bulk processing. So hope you guys like this video. So please share. Thank you.